Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you all the new collections of LV. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, SKUs, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website or your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss this preview of the lookbook of men's pre-fall 2025 collection. So first we have the milk carton box. So this collection guys would be launching around April-May next year. So this one, as we can see here, very cute. The entirety of the carton bag is made of monogram canvas, and it has detachable and adjustable leather vachetta strap. Super cute and very unique piece. And then we have this very beautiful shopper tote. So I believe the size of this one either could be BB or PM. So this is still from the pre-fall 2026 collection. Material is coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. As we can see, the pattern of this one is the contemporary Dame Ebene print because it is a little bit larger, and of course it comes with the Louis Vuitton logo in front of the shopper tote. Next, super cute. I love this one. Keepall size, or Keepall 25, so 25 centimeters in length. So this one material, as we can see, is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So it is a smaller version of the Keepall. And what I really love about this bag, of course, would be the detachable ping pong bag charm. Super hopefully it comes with when you purchase this bag, but then again, in the future it could be purchased separately. So next we have another shopper tote. So this one, the material of course is a soft calfskin leather, and as you can see, the colorway is like in off-white. Then we have like a rosette colorway. Then of course we could see a blue ping pong bag charm, which is super cute and really stands out among the white leather background. Then we have nail size NM. So this one, as we can see, would be part of the soft calfskin leather collection. So as you can see, this is very slouchy and very luxurious feel. So as you can see, and as you know, the nail NM is one of my favorite because it comes with two straps, top handle and crossbody strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the men's pre-fall 2026 collection, we have a new design bag. So I'm just calling it this one, the mini top handle, as you can see. So not the official name. So the entirety of this micro bag is made of monogram canvas. I love that it comes with a front pocket as well. So maybe that's where you are going to keep the bag charm, the ping pong bag charm, and it comes with detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, so we have another nail NM. So this one guys, it could be either monogram canvas in this beige or sand colorway, but also it could be a calfskin leather because I could see the slouch in front or on top of the nail NM, as you can see. Love the top handle, and of course, although the crossbody strap I'm not loving because I'm not really feeling the canvas strap of LV, I would prefer they made it in leather. Then we have another beautiful Keepall 25, so 25 centimeters in length. It is the same colorway and same material as the bag earlier, the Nil NM. So as you can see, this one, of course, it could either be monogram canvas, but for this one, I'm guessing that it could be the monogram canvas. It comes with detachable leather strap and it comes with leather bag tag as well. Then guys, how gorgeous is this modern Speedy 25 bandolier? So this one, as we can see, the May Ebin canvas, the modern version, because the May Ebin is on much larger scale. Then of course, it comes with the Louis Vuitton logo in front. Honestly guys, I wish that they have removed the Louis Vuitton logo in front. The bag would survive better, in my opinion, without the logo in front. Just like with this one, just look, a very minimal logo. Perhaps they could have done it this way with the Speedy 25. So this is either a Speedy 25 bandolier or it could be a Speedy P9. So kindly stand by for updates. So as you can see here, it is made of calfskin leather and it comes with two bag tags. So we have the key clochette and we have the leather bag tag as well. Then another one, so Speedy 25 bandolier, or it could also be a Speedy P9. So please do stand by. So just like with the earlier bag, it comes with detachable vachetta leather strap, and as we could see here, I love the slouch of the calfskin leather. Very smooth, very luxurious, and I believe so this one, it could be, oh okay, so looking at it now, it could also be made with suede leather. Apologies for that one guys. So next we have the Shopper Tote. So this is the smaller version. So as you can see, the entirety is made of color green soft calfskin material with the Louis Vuitton logo. So this one is okay with the logo because it mimics, of course, the LV shopping bag, so that is okay with me. So as you can see close up, how are you feeling about the entire way of color green? So this one guys, maybe this is inspired also when they're doing the tennis collection, because we could see the colorway. So this Shopper Tote comes in two sizes. We have the small one and then we have the MM size like this. The MM size has a longer shoulder strap, and then the smaller one comes only with a top handle strap, so you could carry as a hand carry or maybe even as a crook of your arm. So this is the medium or the MM version Shopper Tote. So this one is made of monogram with canvas in the May Ebin pattern, as we can see here. Then of course it has the Louis Vuitton logo, so it would resemble the Louis Vuitton shopping bag. So it comes with a bag charm, so as you can see, a frog bag charm with the LV logo at the back of the frog. So maybe it could be purchased, it will be purchased separately. Then we have another Speedy 25 bandolier in the Damouflage print. So Pharrell is bringing back the Damouflage print. So this time the main material of the Speedy 25 bandolier is the denim in different colorways. So we have the light blue, we have the darker blue, then of course it is in pattern as well in the May Ebin pattern. Then this one, a modern version of the Speedy. I'm guessing this is either size 35 bandolier because it is a little bit larger. Then we could see close up that it comes with two monogram canvas. So we have the classic monogram canvas, and then we have the reverse mono. And then of course, as we could see here, it comes also in the green monogram canvas with leather strips. It comes with bag tag and detachable leather strap. Then if you are looking for a very unique Keepall 45, and then of course you are a tennis player, then you would want to add this to your collection. So as you can see, it comes already with a built-in pocket wherein you could store your tennis racket. But how cool it would be if, for example, this is not a built-in pocket, it is a fully detachable one. So let us cross our fingers, that would be super cool. Then we have another Speedy 35 bandolier. So this one, we could clearly see that it is made of suede leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, this bag would come with detachable key clochette, bag tag, and of course it would come with detachable leather strap as well. So please take note again, this collection would be launching April-May 2025. So start saving your screenshots and pre-order right away with your CA. So last but not the least, we have the Milk Carton Bag. So how cute. So a while ago it is in monogram canvas, but if you are fancying, genuine leather, then check this one out, made of soft calfskin leather. The colorway is green, then of course it comes in white. So how do you feel about this Milk Carton Bag? Kindly comment down below. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!